Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Chime. First, download the Amazon Chime application to your desktop or mobile device. Once installed, sign in using your existing Amazon or AWS account credentials. The platform offers a straightforward user interface, making it simple to navigate and access all its features. You can quickly find your contacts, schedule meetings, and begin communicating with your team members right away. Amazon Chime provides robust features for seamless communication. You can host and join high-quality video and audio meetings with up to 250 participants. Screen sharing allows for effective collaboration, letting you present documents or applications. Persistent chat rooms keep your team connected, and you can easily record meetings for later review or to share with those who couldn't attend. Managing your meetings in Amazon Chime is straightforward. You can schedule new meetings directly from the application or integrate with your calendar. Easily invite participants by entering their email addresses or selecting them from your Chime contacts. During a meeting, you have full control over audio, video, and participant permissions. The Raise Hand feature helps facilitate organized discussions, ensuring everyone gets a chance to speak. To get the most out of Amazon Chime, consider these tips. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection for the best audio and video quality. Using a headset with a microphone significantly reduces background noise, improving clarity for everyone. Familiarize yourself with keyboard shortcuts to navigate the application more efficiently. Finally, regularly update your Chime application to access the latest features and performance enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.